Hey finders, and welcome back to Fortune Finds. I thought we would just chill here at my vanity today. I just did a pretty simple yet totally full face of makeup. I wanted to play around with these magnetic lashes that I received in the mail. So I've never played with magnetic lashes on myself. I have used them on other people, and the ones that I have used are, the ones that come with the liquid liner. You put the liquid liner on your eye and then the lash sticks to that liner. These don't have a liner. These are magnetic lashes that kind of intertwine and stick to one another. So I'll show you, maybe you get a better idea. If you look really closely, can you see those little rectangles? There's one here, one in the middle, and one on the other end. And then these are just rectangles at the bottom. Well, these bottom lashes adhere to this top lash and kind of just magnetize. It does take a little bit of practice. I like this because I use actually it's right in front of me. I use the Rodan & Fields Lash Boost Serum. I myself don't naturally have long lashes. However, they're a lot longer now than they used to be because I've been using this growth serum, but I don't like to get all of the glue up in my lashes. I feel like it's not good for your lashes. I have very sensitive eyes, especially since COVID and having to wear masks. I get a lot of bumps in my eyes. I don't know if you can see, there's one right there. I get a lot of like white bumps, and they're not milia. It's like, I don't know what they are. I need to go to a dermatologist, but my eyes are just super, super sensitive, and lash glue just has not been a friend of mine as of recently. So I have really been relying on these magnetic lashes to give me the lashes of my dreams. So I think it's important to lift the lashes no matter what kind of falsies you're wearing, because it's going to better blend your natural lashes in with the false lashes. So I'm just lifting them. I think they're by BelleChloe, but I'm kind of confused because it also says Wake Up and Makeup on them. But if you go to the website, it's called BelleChloe. There are 4 different types. There are dramatic ones, natural ones, sporty ones, and double demi wispies. I myself got the natural ones because I have pretty small eyes and I didn't want the magnetic lashes to, take over my entire eyelid. If you guys do decide by the end of this video that you are interested in these lashes, I do have a 10% off code for you guys, which is super exciting because companies never really give me discount codes. You get 10% off at checkout if you use the code FORTUNE. So I'll put the code up on the screen, but it's just my name as the discount code, which is pretty cool. Get yourself 10% off if you are interested. Why pay full price when you could pay a little less? For mascara today, I'm just going to use Maybelline Snapscara because I don't want to use anything that is like too voluptuous, too overbearing, because I want to be able to see the lashes. So I'm going to use something a little bit more natural. I feel like this mascara is kind of running out. Do you see how long my outer lashes are and how short my inner ones are? I think I need to use more of my Rodan & Fields. I've been really slacking this week on applying the serum before I go to bed because, like I said, my eyes are just like so sensitive lately. But look how short my inner lashes are compared to my outer lashes. That's weird. I do need to let that dry, but it's going to dry while we are setting up the actual lashes. So let me go ahead and show you guys what it is you get when you order this. And I'm also going to remove, wait, do you like this noise? Hey. ASMR, is that what it's called? Satisfying. Okay, anyway, so this is what you get. It says Wake Up and Makeup, and it's a pretty hefty little box here, I'm not gonna lie. And then inside, you're gonna get 1 pair of lashes. You're gonna pay $26 for 1 set of reusable lashes, and these are cruelty-free, vegan, because they are made with a high grade fiber. And you're gonna get the upper lash, which just looks like your typical lash, but then you're also gonna get a bottom left, 2 bottom rights. I don't really know what the difference of those are. They kind of look the same. And then you're gonna get 1 middle. And again, those are going to correspond with the 3 magnets on the 1 strip lash. And I think they just give you an extra in case you lose one. And you get a cute little mirror on the inside, so you can really get in there and use this. I think I'm gonna use this mirror to apply them. And then you also get this magnetic lash applicator, which the magnetic lashes stick onto, and then you essentially put the 1 lash on top, the 3 little babies on the bottom, and then you kind of clamp them on your upper lash line. That is what we're going to be doing today. I actually also saw that there's another way that you can do it, but I have yet to figure out how to do that because it's nearly impossible. I can show you guys for just a good laugh here. But what you do is you take the strip, and it's labeled left and right, so you know which eye to put it on, but you just put this above your lash like this. Oh, maybe it'll stay now because I curled my lashes. All right, let's see if we can do it this way. I've yet to have been able to do it this way, but it looks like it might be cooperating today. So it says to just put the lash up top like that, and then don't blink. I blinked already. I'm gonna get my tweezer out, my own tweezer, not the tweezer that this thing comes with. So you're gonna put that up there like that. And you also wanna make sure that the lashes, when you apply them, are facing the same way. So the lashes are going up. Ooh, I just threw that at you. So the lashes are obviously going up. So the bottom lashes want to go up and follow the upper lash as well. So I'm gonna boop this right there. And what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to just like take this one and magnetize it. Maybe if I hold it. Oh my God. Oh, I did it. This actually is clamping way better. All right. So as you can see, it's not like the easiest thing to do, but I just feel like the fact that you don't need to use an eyelash glue is just so magnificent. Right, so these are going up. Can you see? The lashes are going up. Why aren't you going, sir? Yes, yes, yes. Another outer corner, make sure that the lashes are lifting up. Then I'm gonna hold this bad boy down. And there you go. And guys, these are like really on there. They're not going anywhere. Okay, and I gotta be honest, I have not been able to get these to go on using that method. So I'm kind of shocked that I was able to do it on camera. But this definitely feels really on there, and it feels like it's very, very close to the lash line. I'm gonna show you guys how I've been doing it using the tweezer so you guys can see both methods, but I find that this is a little bit harder to get really, really close to the lash line. I find that a lot of the times the magnet kind of clamps a little bit further away than my lash line, but I just want you guys to see, like, these are pretty good. They're pretty on there. And these fit my lashes really well too. Oh my God, they look so good. Okay, let's do the other eye the other way that comes with the instructions. The one side, it tells you how to apply it basically the way that I just did it. On the other side is using the magnetic lash applicator. So you're kind of clamping them on like this. So you wanna hold the lash and insert it with the lashes going in first and the band going in last. And you see how the band has magnetized onto that curvature of the tweezer. That is what you want. And then you want to do the same thing with the bottom tweezer with the bottom lashes. So again, you want to make sure that they are curving in the same direction. So I'm going to pick it up, make sure that the lashes are curving up, following the curvature of the top lash. And I'm going to place that there. See? It's following. The bottom lash is following the curvature of the top lash. So that was the bottom left corner. Now I'm gonna add the bottom right corner the same exact way. And you kind of just wanna look at where the top one is and make sure that if you were to clamp it and press it down, the two magnets would meet. And then I'm gonna take the middle one. So can you see, if you were to feed your lashes into there and then clamp them, all the magnets will touch one another. I'm just gonna put this over my lashes. And clamp. See, okay, that went on quicker in the sense that I feel like I didn't really need to play around with it. But I don't know if you can see, this is not nearly as close to my lash line. It's kind of like floating outside as opposed to the side where I put it on myself. It's like really on. So I'm just gonna take this side off and apply it manually just because I don't feel like this one is on as well as this one. And I don't know if you can see, it's kind of like lifted away from my lashes. Either way that you do this, it's gonna take a little bit of practice. You're gonna have to finesse it a little bit, figure out what works and doesn't work for you, whether you apply it together with your fingers, whether you prefer to apply it with the tweezer, whether you apply it with your own tweezers and a finger. I think that's the best way for me. Okay, so both of my lashes are now on. I do just wanna make note of something because I forgot to tell you guys to do this. Whether you're applying a magnetic lash or a typical glue, your standard kind of lash like this guy, like an Ardell lash that you apply with glue, you kind of want to finesse and like play around and loosen up the lash band. You kind of just take the lash and kind of go like this with both ends, because when you get a pair of lashes, again, no matter what kind of lashes they kind of are manufactured straighter than the eye. And if you think about it, our eyes are pretty round. Some of them are rounder than others, but if you do that with the lash band, it kind of loosens up the lash band and makes it easier to fit along your lash line, inevitably making it easier for you to apply any kind of lash. I think these look good. I mean, I do feel like they're a little bit obvious. Like I feel like you look at me and it looks like I'm wearing falsies. They are natural and they're not too overbearing, but I just feel like the way that they kind of stop in the corner kind of is a dead giveaway that I'm wearing falsies. I could have pulled them out a little bit further, closer to my outer lashes, but I didn't, and I don't feel like taking all the magnets off and doing it again. So I want to see what they feel like as the day progresses. I want to go for a walk, be out in the elements, see how these hold up, and just see how these hold up in comparison to your standard lash glue application lashes. All right, guys, I have been wearing these lashes for a good 8+ hours now. I have to say, they're super comfortable. They are extremely windproof. It was super windy outside today. These made it through the wind. I'm a really big fan. And I just want to reiterate though, that these are not the easiest lashes to apply. However, I also want to remind you that when I started applying traditional lashes with glue, like that wasn't very easy for me in the beginning either. So that's really the beauty about beauty and makeup. You can try something for the first couple times and it may seem impossible, but honestly, practice always makes perfect. So I would say today it took me about 5 minutes in total to apply both lashes. However, I have just been playing around with these here and there. I have never really taken the time out to really focus in, look at the mirror, and apply these with a full face of makeup. So I'm definitely determined to go ahead and keep practicing this to the point where I can throw these bad boys on in a minute or less and just be out the door and ready to go. I think that you really need these for summer. Like, I think these are bomb. I think that they will make it through a windy day on the beach. They will make it through any outdoor dining, outdoor setting that you have. They're really good, extremely comfortable, and I could probably wear these for another 8 hours and still not feel them. If you're interested in them, please use my discount code. Again, it's Fortune. You get 10% off, but I am not pressuring you into buying these. You do not need to buy these, but I will say that for $26, I know that kind of sounds like a lot, but if you think about it, I'm not applying these with glue. I didn't apply any mascara over these, so these are genuinely going to last. Like, when these say that they are reusable, they are genuinely reusable because we're not putting any product on top of them to help break the lashes down. If you think about it, if you go out and you buy Lily lashes, which are so in and so popular, one pair of Lily lashes probably retails for about $30, and I would say you could probably get 4 to 5 uses out of it. The reason being because you're applying them with a glue. The fact that glue does not touch these, that they are just magnetized, means that they will last a really long time. And I will also say that I like these because I don't have to put a wing on my eye to apply them. Some days I just want to have a softer, more subtle kind of makeup look. So these definitely get 2 thumbs up from me. I love them, and you will be seeing them more here on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, do be sure to leave it a big thumbs up down below. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure that you subscribe and ring that bell, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, finders. Mwah.